Let them come out. Let them come out. Let them come out. Come this side. Yeah, this is the queen's car. Fisha. Fisha. How are you? You're welcome.
Guys, let's take a group photo.
Fisha. Fisha, look here. Munsiye. Abamugobaganya muri bakigo.
This is your flower too.
Let's go down. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Obwenzi mukwano. Jane, first of all, thank you so much, all of you, for coming, for receiving me. I'm so sorry, I'm looking tired because olugendo lubadde luwanvu olw'ennyonyi. Yeah, journey of contesting, it's a long story actually. Yeah, it began in Dubai. Then from Dubai, went to Europe, Bulgaria. Yeah.
Dubai, before you living here,
no, actually Uganda yachimanya. I'm living in Dubai and I'm working in Dubai. Nenga when I contested Uganda bambi like Spark, ne Bukedde banyambako okulanga. Yeah, and some other TikTokers like Swagger and some they did. Yeah. No. Mrs. Universe UAE like mpaka ezetabibwamu abantu ab'enjawulo okuva mu nsi ez'enjawulo like European countries, America and African countries. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Other African countries, okay.
Yeah, but when I was contesting, we were only 2 African countries which were nominated. Yes. Uganda and Zambia. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I won. I believe everyone is beautiful, but I think that was my day and my time. Yes. Yes, this is a different pageant. Mrs. is from 27 to 50, either you have a child or married. But Miss is nga toyina mwana oba nga yeah, below 25, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that is the right one then. Yeah. Um, I think last. I'm not sure which is. I think I'm last. To give. Okay, ebigendererwa bingi by the way. Yeah. To give women like to let women's dreams, because like some people stop dreaming, especially when they become 27, especially women, you know, they believe they are old, that they have grown. But I believe there are so many things we can do after 27, and I think that is even the start of life. So when you think that life has ended, that's when the Mrs. Universe comes in and show that this is the start of the journey, and then they help you to achieve all the dreams you have been dreaming of. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Because we start dreaming when we are young, I think. When you have the passion of something when you are young, you grow in it, you live with it. Yeah, even me, I had this. That's why I'm here today. I believed in myself when I'm young. As you see them, they are young, but they are believing. I'm sure also one day they'll be like me or more than me. Yes. So it's like a Mrs. Universe responsibility to show the young ones like how to live and to be the good example or a role model. Yes, that's why we choose the young people, yeah, to receive me. Yeah. Okay. Trisha Nabukenya nkolera Dubai ndi compliance officer. Compliance officer kitegeeza akulira amateeka mu company. Nkolera mu company gye bayita Wasira management supervision nga tu managinga buildings. So mu buildings ezo nze nkulira amateeka n'aga company. So kubambuuza what I'm going to do to help them, there is a lot to do. But I always say I don't want to promise, because when you promise, it becomes like a debt. So I'll be pressurized. So I love my people, I love my country, and I'm ready to fight for everyone when I get a chance. Yeah. So in me, there is a lot to do, but I pray that God gives more chances for that. Yeah. Yes.
One of the most challenges in Dubai is Kadama.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I think we'll start from home, because I think I blame the companies which takes the like Habana in Dubai, and I think we have to tutandikire ku company, because the buy no following up kubana. Ne balaba omwana bamututtewa at least like every month ne balambula ku baana abo. Singa tukitandikira okuva e Uganda, I'm sure we can fight it. Kubanga wosindika omwana nga company nota following up omwana gyakola, that means ne gyakolera bamanyi nti like no one cares. Naye singa balaba buli nga ne tufunayo ba welfares abali e Dubai nga tugana ne tulambula abaana bano ne bali ne batula nti we tujja nga omwana bamubonyaabonya, maybe we can sue you. I think this can be the end of like okubonabona kw'abaana. So I think we start from home to fight this. Yes, I've tried my best, but I've been always alone. You know, when you're alone, it's hard to solve anything. So I'm calling upon like everyone who is concerned in this because I can't fight it alone. To be honest, it's a big thing because company every day bataking abaana bangi. So sobola kirwanisa nzeka. Mba neetagako obuyambi okutandikira ddala ku government by the way ne looking in company etwala abaana erina ebisaanizo mubatwala walwaki temufaayo ku baana be mututte. I think we tunatandikirawo ne tuwera maybe tusobola okuyamba because nze ng'omu ogezaako naye olw'amateeka g'e Dubai si yenze yaleeta abaana abo as much as I'm Mrs. Universe somehow mbaako we nina okukoma naye singa tuba twegatta n'abaleeta abaana ne tufuuka team I think we can do something extraordinary, something nice. Yeah.
Egenda malawo bbanga because for Miss Uganda it takes 1 year. Where you ogenda gimalako mu myaka emeka oba ogenda kivuga mpaka ebalikoowa?
No, like 1 year nga every other pageants 1 year. Yes. Embeera gye nsuubira eviirako abaana okubonaabona for me most of the time let me say as I said before that it starts from home, the pressure from home. First of all pressure eva ewaka abaana bagenda ogenda ku kyeyo abantu abasigadde waka babatika obuvunaanyizibwa bungi n'olaba ng'omwana avuddeyo bambi n'akola like bw'okola ng'ola n'ebyokola tofunamu weekyawa bwe weekyawa ogenda okulaba nga like obonaabona kati naye bw'owulira ng'obonaabona otandika okukola ebintu ebikusuubiza nti obonaabona. So I think most of the time we need support from families, from everyone around us, and also njagala abasigadde Uganda bambi baweeko abaana abatambudde because ekikuleetera okusambula you are looking for a bright future naye ne batika omwana ali ebweru obuvunaanyizibwa bw'abantu bonna abasigadde Uganda bambi abaana bayita mu kubonaabona n'akola oluusi akasente k'akoze ng'obuvunaanyizibwa bw'aka bonna bonna yabumala n'omala ng'emyaka mukaaga n'oddayo nga ssente zonna bakoze eki baziridde. So I think bambi tutandikire ku family, let's support our people, our children ku kino and let them tubawe chance nabo balivinga obulamu bwabwe. Ayagadde okuyamba family, let it not be like forcing. Babira neri pressure nti banne banandowooleza ki wenza ewaka nga sirina kye nnina. Njagala okutandikira mu family omwana mmwe aba agenze ebweru ne waakomawo nga talina kyalina baneemumwanirize abaana abamu balemedde ku kyeyo they are overstaying because they are afraid to come back home because they don't have anything. So let's love our people, our children and above everything like birema n'ewaka bisobola okulema ng'oli wano. So tukitwale nti enkola gye tukolamu ebweru bisobola okulema ng'ano ebirema e Uganda. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you noticed any of the cases where I want as a Miss Universe? Wali ono tusinzeeko ku mbeera bwetu baga abaana abasinga bagende ku kyeyo babeera mu byakwetunda?
I think obwamalaya buli mu buli nsi ne Uganda weebuli. Though e Dubai kifuuka worse because abaana bajja balina different like balina babasuubiza ebintu ebitaliiyo kati watuuka eri nga bamusuubiza omulimu omulala n'akola omulala nga si gwayagala kimuleetera okwekyawa na ending up ku street. And I think also necessarily gwasasula abaana bambi nsaba gavumenti erwanirire ku kino kubanga nga olaba like ba housemaid aba Philippine aba Indians basasula like 4 times than Uganda ones. So kimalamu amaanyi n'olaba ng'omwana akola emirimu gye gimu n'oli naye ng'oli olw'okuba nti alina kala ey'enjawulo bamuwa ssente nnyingi. So kireetera omwana okufuna ebikemo ebigenda ku street afune ku ssente eziwera.
Bali babasasula nnyingi okuba beeru. About color difference over agency?
Yeah, I think kitandikira mu agency. Tiri sure ku kino oba agency zitwala ssente z'abaana oba kubanga e Dubai being like elinsi nnene erina amateeka agagifuga nsuubira balina ekikomo ku buli ssente like omutendera ne minimum ze basasula abantu naye companies maybe zezireeta weeyo embeera kubanga kampani oba gwaleese abaana simanyi lwaki oba oyawukana ku kampani ez'aba Philippine n'ez'aba India mu ssente. Yeah. Of course I was so extremely happy because like tekyali kyangu because like I wanted all this long. I wanted to be the voice, I wanted to fight and I wanted a start. And when I won, I felt like, oh God, you have given me like something to start with. And I felt super good. Yeah. As I said before that I don't want to promise much, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I want to be a role model. I want to be an advocate. I want to be a voice. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Byejjirako bingi naye nze for me kye nasinga okwagala kwe kuwangula because weowangula ebintu ebiri physical biggwawo naye weowangula ekintu nga platform nga respect nga honor those things they don't die kisinzira ku gwe gwabitsa oba gwabyongerayo kati oba ofunye platform gwe kennyini olugendo lugwa alutta oba alufuula kyoyagala kilubeere yaso Banange message simanyi nakumanya. First of all, I wouldn't make it alone. Kusooka neebaza Katonda naye Uganda yakola kyamaanyi nnyo okusingira ddala twawangula mu public voting ate nga public voting yali yakusasulira ssente. Imagine okusasulira ssente nga tetulina Uganda abantu bani tebalina visa card. So bali balina kuvotingira na visa card but still we won. So I think really no, I didn't. Yeah. Bambi abanonda mwenna abansupporting mu ngeri enjawulo, be it prayer, be it love, be it like physical support. Thank you so much. Yeah, enengule si yange nzeka, it's like me and not only even in Uganda, Africa, because I feel like when we are in Dubai, Africa, we are still Africa. Yeah. Ekyo badde nsaba nkyesigalize mukwano kijja kudda ku interview tu. Yeah. Obubaka bwempa, first of all, congratulations to all those who participated. Yeah, I'm so proud of the girls. They were all smart, but I just want to tell them that this is not an easy journey. It's a responsibility. You are carrying a national flag. You have a responsibility to fulfill, you know. So you have to watch your steps and you have to be careful because there are so many people who are just want to pull you down. Yeah, so remember always that you have that inti ogendo si lwangu nayo you can win if you believe in yourself. Yeah.
Sava ku bakazi b'ebifaananyi linda ko sava amala okuba